The AL220 range of aluminium machining centers have been designed to machine and cut a range of aluminium windows and doors. It is assembled with top-quality parts and uses the world-renowned Beckhoff control system. This machine will increase your output, quality, and reduce your overall costs. The machine is able to work with high precision because all 8 axes are controlled by servo motors. An additional drive axis can be added for double routing on request. The machine has a 15-inch touchscreen monitor, which can accept your cutting and routing list from the office via a network cable, Wi-Fi, or USB, using the Camprox interface software, which is compatible with software houses around the world. This data informs the operator of the number of bars and variations that will be needed to load on the infeed table. There is a DXF display of the orientation of the bar to ensure the operator loads the correct way. The software is developed by Haffner's own programmers, who are able to dial in to work remotely where needed. Once loaded, the operator starts the process and the bars move forward into position. Depending on the profile width, up to 7 lengths of profile can be loaded at any one time. These will be clamped, and then the gripper will take over by moving to the correct position of each profile. The gripper will push the bar through the routing unit, which consists of 12 heavy-duty router motors. This allows for routing on all 4 sides of the profile without the need for profile rotation. The routing motors also have horizontal movement to prevent scratching of the aluminium during this process. The 12 router motors perform a variety of operations on windows and doors, including drainage, handle holes, lock pockets, night vents, keep marking, and hinge positioning. Instead of routing individual pieces, the machining center routes complete bars prior to cutting. This reduces handling and ensures precision while speeding up the complete routing and cutting process. Positioning is programmed through a 3-axis movement of the routing head and gripper unit. Once completed, the gripper takes the routed bar to the soaring unit. The accuracy of the routing and soaring operation is maintained because the gripper unit, once clamped in position, is the datum point of the whole process. The bar is not released throughout, and the final cut will be as accurate as the first. Quick-release clamping blocks allow for a multitude of profiles to be clamped and gripped correctly. Our experienced team of designers will check and confirm all profiles are compatible on your machine using SolidWorks prior to programming. Pop-up rollers ensure the aluminium is lifted and moved to position to avoid scratching or marking the profile, and strategically placed blowers assist in keeping a clean working area. The AL220 can have different size saw blades depending on the profile you wish to cut. The AL220-70 will have a 500mm saw blade, and the AL220-80 a 600mm saw blade to cut 225mm profile width. Your Haffner representative will be able to tell you which application is best suited to your needs. The saw blade is mounted from above and is servo-driven for speed and accuracy. Variable angle cutting is achieved between -45 and +45 degrees. Mounting the saw blade above allows the swarf and offcuts to drop to the waste conveyor below. The cut profile is clamped and removed from the working area onto the outfeed table and dispensed to the operator for labeling before insertion into the cut profile trolley. Optimization is key to any machining center, and a laser sensor detects and measures all pre-cut profile before commencing the operation. The AL220 range of machinery is a must for the serious aluminium fabricator of windows and doors. Contact Haffner Murad Limited on the number below or via their website for impartial and experienced advice on all your machinery purchase.